This is a photo from World War II. You can see that there's considerable damage that has been done to this photo over the years. And in fact, up there in that corner, you can see where there is missing parts to the photo. Spots on it that need to be removed, scratches. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use a couple of tools for it. One of them's already been shown, and that's the Spot Healing Brush tool. This has been sped up so that you don't have to sit through watching all of the cleanup that's being done to all these spots and scratches. When you have larger areas to repair, such as the tear and the missing part of this photo, Spot Healing tool does not work very well. Another tool, the Clone Stamp tool, located here, will work much better for this. You can adjust the size of the brush so that it will work with your photo. It is a clone tool. Use the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a Windows computer to identify the area from which to clone. Then you use the brush to replace the area to be repaired with the clone material as shown here. You can see here the Clone Stamp reference moves as you clone the area to repair. You may need to keep readjusting the reference area so that you don't end up cloning from the wrong part of the photo. It takes a bit of patience to get it as you would like to have it be. Don't forget that you may use the Command+Z on a Mac or Control+Z on a Windows computer to undo something when you have made a mistake. Here I'll switch between the Spot Healing Brush tool and the Clone Stamp tool, as well as altering the brush sizes to do some additional repairs. You can try one tool, and if it doesn't give you the results you would like, try the other one. The clip speed has been increased for this part. By the way, the cap should be redone to better align with how they actually looked. You can always end up making some errors in using these tools. You may want to go back and redo it. You have to decide how much time you're willing to spend trying to fix an individual photo. That's probably based on the value to you or to someone else. With that finished, I'll go to the Neural filter for photo restoration to improve the quality of the image. As you can see, it can make quite a difference. Some final touch-up. The image had previously been converted to grayscale to make some of the corrections a little easier to make. It was converted back to RGB. A new adjustment layer for hue and saturation was created. And the default preset was changed to sepia. Here is the final result.